Has anyone ever said that small is better? Let me introduce you to the Hamilton Murph 38mm. We all know and love the Hamilton Murph in 42mm. The Morse code on the seconds hand, the overall quality of the watch, and the fact that it stars in a mind-blowing movie make this a really famous and sought-after watch. Last year, Hamilton surprised the world by releasing this baby Murph, if you will. But is smaller better? The Hamilton Murph in 38mm is basically a carbon copy of the 42mm version, with just some minor changes. Wait, did I say small? Once I tell you the biggest change, you will not be able to unsee it. The most famous and recognizable part of the watch is gone, and I'm talking about the Morse code in the seconds hand. Why Hamilton? That was the most romantic part about this watch. Why would you take it away? And I truly believe that this could be a real deal breaker for some people. The Murph's design is that of a classical military watch. Minimalist black dial, good readability, and a robust build. The case is satin and mirror polished, and now in 38mm, which in my perspective makes this watch better. The movement inside this watch is the H10 automatic movement. This movement provides an impressive 80-hour power reserve. Lowering the VPH, Hamilton are able to pump the power reserve up. This caliber is the same movement you will find in Midow's Caliber 80 or Tissot's Powermatic 80. The Hamilton Murph in 38mm is constructed with a robust stainless steel case that protects the movement inside. The watch comes with a sapphire crystal, which, to be honest, just makes me mad. But it's not just this model, it's Hamilton watches in general. They have no anti-reflective coating. No AR coating means a lot of reflections on the crystal, which means it's harder to take videos, to take pictures of this watch. But the most important thing is that this watch is supposed to be easy to read. Or any Hamilton military watch is supposed to be easy to read. But what's the purpose of an easy to read dial if you cannot see through the glare of the crystal? This just makes me feral. It actually makes no sense, but okay. The 38mm case, rounded edges, and an acceptable leather strap make the Murph comfortable to wear all day. The case thickness is balanced, allowing it to slip easily under a cuff. The dial and finish make this watch a strap monster, so you can basically use any type of colored or not colored strap and use it for almost any type of occasion. The watch offers a water resistance of up to 100 meters, which is a good water resistance, but I am not keen to putting it to the test. Paired with the sturdy materials used in its construction, the Murph is a resilient watch that can withstand daily wear and tear. Now, let's talk about the history of Hamilton. Hamilton is an American-born brand with a really rich history of military-worn watches. In fact, we've had Vietnam War Hamilton watch on this channel before. They also have a rich history in American aviation and cinema, with the Murph being a direct homage to this legacy. The brand's reputation for crafting precise timepieces since 1892 adds to the romance of owning a piece of that history. The retail price of this watch is around $1,000 US. Considering its quality, heritage, and the caliber of its movement, the Murph offers considerable value for its price point. The watch is a solid middle market timepiece that provides a luxury watch feel without the luxury price tag. In its category and price range, the Murph faces competition from brands like Tissot, Seiko, and even some vintage pieces. However, its unique backstory, coupled with Hamilton's reputation and the quality of the H10 movement, makes it stand out. It might lack the complications of higher-end timepieces, but it wasn't designed to compete with them directly. Instead, it holds its own as a classy, narrative-rich piece. In brief, Hamilton is a history-filled brand. The Hamilton Murph 38 is a fantastic value proposition watch. The only downside I find about this watch is that Hamilton, in my eyes, made the mistake of removing the Morse code on the seconds hand. That makes me unreasonably mad. And also the sapphire crystal with no AR coding. But in few words, if you have $1,000 to spend on a watch, this would be the perfect watch for you.